In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 2-player in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up a local multiplayer battle in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 is extremely simple. You will be able to do this easily, and the only requirement is that you have an additional controller connected to your console. So to start, go ahead and connect another DualShock 4 to your PlayStation 4. You will be able to do this easily by using a cable, so a wired connection, or wirelessly, whatever you prefer. You just have to make sure that the controller is properly connected and that it gets detected. So once you connect the controller, you will be able to set it up by adding a user or choosing the option to use it as a guest. Just make sure that the controller is set up, all good to go. Now, launch Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 and you will be able to go over to the Time Machine Station. Once you are there, you will have to go over to the Battle Information Station. In particular, you will be able to find the Offline Battles option when you go over to the NPC at the left side of the Battle Information stand. So go towards this stand and you will be able to talk to this little robot, Offline Battles. When you interact with the Offline Battles lobby, you will be able to set it up. So now, choose among the options according to the battle that you want to set up. So go into local battle and immediately you will be able to set all of the characters that you and player 2 is going to be playing with. So you will be able to use the first controller to choose the first character and then the secondary controller to choose the next one. You can confirm by choosing the stage and start the match. And you will be able to play together and battle against your friend. As long as you have an additional controller connected, both of you will be able to play together on PlayStation 4 or any other console where Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 is available. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 2-player in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.